Yeah, uzeyami and uyayazi.
Uyidrophi.
Vile letu kwa zamazamba Zuya makabishi.
Hello. Kunjani sisi? Sisi Ntsiki kunjani? Ngiyaphila ukhuluma noPhili from kuhlelo libiza nge-Identical Force. Angizwa?
Bengishophizi namanye amafamily lana kunenkinga ngena so ezekhethiwe so ngikakhuluma nabo ukuthi bathi bayeza bazobalanda angazi ngeza nami lapha.
Yeah, thina sesibiziwe sesikhona la eKwaga mayelana nale issue daliswa ngifuna ukuchecka nawe ukuthi mhlambe usekudeni kangangani khe ngizwe.
Oh yes bathengi because lo mama lo wase social service size sibonane Monday manje. Angazi.
Yeah, ngoba la nje la sikhona kune community very concerned mayelana nabo gogo bakhona la bengifuna ukuzwa ukuthi
bayabathatha bayeza lo mama wase social service size babathathe ne but mina nawe ngicela the appointment ukuthi manje masele kuma social worker kuzena mina khona yabona.
Oh, so then ngoba i-community nayo ithi ayifuni ukuthi
bayeza bathi babafonela.
Okay.
Bayabalanda vele. But wena mina nawe communicate.
Okay, beza la.
Bazoza basa organize ama transport.
Why nibathatha mhlambe kuna anything engase
i-social worker leli prize babathathe manje for simithi ama-norms and standards.
I-social worker lela lingubani?
Isinika amanamba wakhe useKwaga uPresident nge-appointment Monday.
Okay, ngipha amanamba akhe.
Une-WhatsApp?
Yeah.
Wena umali?
Yes.
Mara simpale. I-second babarna.
Okay.
Babarna.
Yangiglalan?
074?
Yeah.
722? 7. Ngizofonela ukhansela ukuthi simithi naye social service yabo consider it by tomorrow because babathathe abamajola.
Okay. Sizwe kan
Mama masokele kazanga shonjalo bathe ezela azange abantu
unfortunately inamba ngizona it's going off I don't know what to do, but then Tina, as busy, we just want to do is safety. Let me just hear the other side. What is their main goal and what is it that they want to see as it from now on? Because I don't know their side.
No, like the issue I show you nama social worker ayeza. That is not true. Tina ma social worker mawala amfonela. Phone was on loudspeaker. Usisilo udelelile kakhulu. Basema bamcela kuseze kusasa because this thing issue le say viral. What mina I won't come. I will come on Monday and I don't care whether it's viral or what. I'm a social worker. I insist ukuthi eze kusasa. If ever akekho la whether ukhona or akekho, they are going to remove labantu laba. Then after some hours wafonela abasebenzi bakhe lo sisi lo wathi nilungise impahla zalabo gogo la ubani ugogo rubani ngiyeza ngizomthatha.
Okay.
So ubathatha ubasaphi because i-agreement yakhe nama social worker ikusasa bazoyisolve kusasa makabathatha manje uba yisaphi maka ama social worker lawo thina singawazi.
Okay.
Ugogo lo munye ukhala ngokuthi uNtsiki umkidnaphile. So kusho ukuthi yaba-kidnapper vele because why should I decide ubalande ebusuku? It's fine, okay, let's say I'm a social work. Why angazange mina? By the time abizwa, she had enough time to come. Because we bank, the thing is 2 hours drive. But yena, she was not available.
Okay.
Yes. So like as one good idea, ukuthi labantu laba athi ihlobo no. From the beginning, abantu laba uthi abantu ihlobo.
Nina bokokolani bazi senababona bala.
Like it's in we see everything because everything. Yes, well like bonka sibazi.
And then the problem magathi uzobathatha nje uthume the transport yobathatha what about ngala makhati wala bogogo it means nala abathatha nabo somewhere with bank or middle bank still olaba uyoba abuser again.
Okay, ngizwa ngapha.
Ngicabanga ukuthi one other person ebengakhuluma naye a member of the family onelunga lomndeni naye khona la.
Ukuphi yena?
Nango.
Okay. So bana
Yebo.
njani? Sikhona akho siphe mhlambe ikhulume esayidini lakho ukuze ugogo or umkhulu agcine ala ufike njani?
Mina ngamletha la usisi.
Kunamaforum owagcwalisile mhlambe
Sigcwalisile
ne-police station. I-police station bengigcwalisa ini?
iphepha bathi thina sizenzele bona bazabethi stamp somvumo ukuthi uza la uzomhlokomela.
It was a consent letter or a consent form etsho ukuthi wena uyazibopha uyamletha la nekarata lakhe lizohlala la kulo. So why namhlanje ula?
Namhlanje bangifonela ama-social worker ngile eMkobola ngathi mina inkinga zala ngiyazazi bevele ngithe ngizomkhipha kule nyanga so mangibuya le ngiyeza la vela ngifuna ahambe namhlanje.
Inkinga zala ngezinjani ozazikho?
Indlala.
Okay.
Umuntu makagula kuthatha isikhathi ukuthi ahanjise ekliniki. Mina ngize ngalwa and then akhuluma unsika athi ngizomenzela noma ngimbhekile so akakwenzi lokho and lo muntu lo unamagulonyana akhetha ukudla akamkhethisi ukudla upapa nekhabisha namazambane inyanga yonke ukuze athole into emnandi fanele mina ngizomthanyela ngiyamthanyela ngiyavuma mara yena ipapa nekhabisha namazambane inyanga yonke bevele ngithe ngizomkhipha.
So abantu be-social development kuya ngawe because I believe that ukuthi une-information eningi bebanandabeza labazokumonitha.
Azange.
So wena uthembe njani ngogogo kwakho ukuthi yonke into la ine-legitimate?
Ngiphila la everyday.
Noza la everyday?
Everyday.
Mara ayikho into mhlambe ekhambelana nomthetho khona? Kusho ukuthi yonke into elana la
nkulumo yakhe angitshele yona akakwenzi even amaphilisi uphaka amaphilisi ngaphandle ukuthi ngilwe khona kuzaba right.
Okay. So mhlambe wena njengoba sekwenzekile lokho kwenzeka uyomthatha ugogo umyisaphi ngoba umlethela?
Ngimbuyisela ekhaya.
Uyokuhlala naye? Ekuthomeni into benza ukuthi umlethela bekuyini?
Ekuthomeni mina ngamkhipha ekhaya kithi soyi2 ngawuhlala naye emasimini manje emasimini lapho ugula kakhulu bangitshela ukuthi amadlozi wamfuni lekimi ngoba sengibiza ngesinye isibongo yabona ngiphumile ekhaya kithi ngilungisa indaba esibongo ngihlala naye but uguliswa ukuthi ngihlala naye endaweni bakuwo bangamfuni kuwo ngamisa ekhaya makabuyele ekhaya laba bathi bona angeke bakhona ukumgada manje sengimtholele umuntu oyomgada lapha ekhaya.
Okay. Nangizwile. Okay, ngibuyela ngakho
yeah and mina my main concern ngokuthi la ebantwini abagadwe la kunomuntu ongumkhulu.
Okay.
Abantu abagadela abantu la they are all family.
Okay.
Akunamuntu owesilisa that esibona ngazuthi kusho ukuthi nguye pheka khadi umkhulu. Meaning if umkhulu kosa ukuthi ageze pheka kezwa yilabo sisi then the dignity yakamkhulu bese ichopatizwa ngale ndlela. Lokho kukodwa kungilethela ukuthi there is a problem with this institution. Ikhombisa ukuthi ayikho emthethweni ayikho registered even if it's registered but ngenzeka ukuthi i-function ukuthi ayaziwa wherever la ya register khona but because of kusesene certificate se-NPO iya-function but ungathola ukuthi yona ayaziwa. So which is why umama nakathena bagcwalisa amaform eMkobola it means bekenze affidavit. If you make it all up you can see ukuthi akunanto engazuthi ihlanganisa umama nabantu bala umama uzibophezele yena eMkobola ngokwenza affidavit ethi mina umuntu wakithi ngiyamthatha ngimisa wherever la ngimisa khona and whatsoever izoyenzeka lapho umnikazi wale ndawo I don't think ukuthi uzo account. This is why even today abanikeza the attitude abanikeza yona because uyazi ukuthi there's no consent form between yena nama members of the family walabantu abathethe.
Okay. Yeah, ke ngibuzeke njengoba ngikuzwe ukhwatha nasi ikulumo yokuthi akuna consent form abayenzileko. So abantu abasebenza la because remember ukuthi sikhuluma nge-qualification, is she qualified mhlambe in terms of nursing institution yakhe and the practice number as a care worker?
I spoke to them because now I'm in a local registration. so ngibiziwe nami ngeza ngakhathalela i-information engikhathalela. I spoke to one or two of them engibonile mina from my side. They are afraid ukuthi bavele straight in card, but mina engibonile ukuthi they are not qualified because of ngichecka if you are qualified ngichecka what you ukutholako in return. I don't think ukuthi unomuntu qualified for this kind of a job ongavumela ukuthola 1,000 rand is only 1,000 rand kusawuthi 200 rand wakho ukuthi basho wena igrosa yalana uyatshontshiswa nokudla and everything. So as a qualified person, I don't think ukhona umuntu ongathi ngiqashe ngiqualified athole 1,000 rand a month for umsebenzi abawenzayo.
Ukuphi wena usebenza? Okay. Isimuzwe. Sawubona nesi. Njani? Siyaphila. Bathi umsister.